everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 30th to the 30th of June 2022 on Monday. Celia lands an oblivious Elizabeth in trouble at the hospital. Eunice's whereabouts are still a mystery as new information is revealed. The GEPF 60 days waiting period begins for Ruth on Tuesday. Principal is summoned to the police station. Teflop, a psychotherapist, is finally found. Minir Manaka suspend the grade 8 class on Wednesday. Eunice finally decide to get help feeling defeated. The principal considers throwing in the towel. Pex Lewatle and Matlatse worry about getting caught on Thursday. Mrs. Home realizes that her son is an angel of the dark. Principal is prepared to throw in the towel, but Mr. DeSando is not having it. Lehasa's grand gesture backfires on Friday. Principal learns that no good deed goes unpunished. Koloi is told that he needs to pay back the money. Kwezigazi is prepared to only deal with her uncle and not her mother. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Hello everyone.